What's up, fishing freaks? Sir K gets some good old mojo. They got some great push button coffee, man. House blend, Colombia, both mixed. Makes some awfully strong coffee. We're gonna get it popping today because it's fishing time. Fishing time. Let's go. We are here back at Dutchman Creek and we're about to do some fishing. Let's get it popping. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get the perch fishing going and change up species, man. You know, I rarely do this at all. Try to go after something different. I caught a big one, I caught a half a pound of one, a slab of perch. It was a big perch. It was a nice slabberoo. So I'm gonna get this worm all hooked up. I like to put it all the way through the worm, entirely through, to leave nothing out, so the fish can take the entire bait. So just kind of trying to nibble. Because if they see a whole worm, they're going to hit it. They're going to take the whole thing. They leave nothing behind. So we're going to go ahead and get this going. They're going to hit this thing as soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water, we're going to be locked and loaded and ready. So we're going to let that simmer sauce a little bit till somebody decides to take her. Oh, somebody got it already. Somebody's trying to run. Somebody's running. Yep, already. Somebody's got it. 3 seconds in the water. So we're gonna see if they're gonna take it, or just try to chomp. They got it. As soon as it hit the water, fish is on it. We're gonna check this out. Come on. The goal is to try to catch a big perch. And I think they got it. Yep. They got it. First perch of the day. He's got nice little perch. Nice little perch. First perch of the day. Number one, 5 seconds of fishing. That's a record. 5 seconds. Nice little, small little perch. They're cool looking fish, man. They look better than bass do. So we'll be catching these bad boys today. Woo, he's feisty. Okay, I don't want to get stuck by these spikes. So I grab it tight and just yank her out. And I want to yank the whole mouth. He's a little buddy. He wanted that worm. He swallowed half of it. Let me see if he swallowed the whole thing. Yep, he got it down. First perch, nice little perch for the day. Throw him on back. These perch hit it. Oh, my setup. It's a drop shot swivel. Just to taste the rig hook, worm all the way on. And so we're going for the big one. I caught a slab of a half a pound, so we're gonna go for for the big one. I like the big ones, man. That's my fishing career right there. Big fish, new places. It happens. So we're gonna go for the Jaimungo. So I put that bait all the way on. I'll leave no room, man, so they can just grab it and go. That's what that fish did. He hit and go. So we're gonna get back out here and try to pull out the Mondo. The Mondo. So let that sit for a second. We're gonna pull out the Mondo today. See what we can do. I think somebody's running already. Let's see. Let's watch it woo. Come on. See what we can pop. I got a hit, looking like. Yep, I got a hit. I got too much slack. Let me see. Let me get her back out there. See what it do. I want the big perch. Come on. I want perch number 2. See what else we can pop. Oh, I got a hit. Got a hit. Come on. Let me see if he's got it. Looks like he's got it. Perch number 2. All right. Perch number 2. Come on, baby. Come on in. Yep. Okay, a lot better perch. Ooh, now that is an upgrade. That's a lot bigger perch. Look at that. It's about a quarter. It's probably more than, I don't know. That's a not a lot better perch there. That's a lot better. So upgrading a bigger size. Nice slab of perch, and we're gonna keep it moving. Nice, buddy. You're cute. All right. Throw them on back. Perch number 2. We're getting bigger. So it's a nice little chunker perch. Alright, we're going to get back to it, and this to the perch kitchen. It's a nice slab. Leave no room. Perfect setup for a perch to grab that whole thing. All right, come on. I gotta get the big one. I gotta hit the jackpot. Come on, baby. Gotta hit the jackpot. Gotta upgrade again. Come on. Gotta hit the big one. I gotta get the giant. Come on, giant. I might catch a bass though. Might pick it up. Who knows? Come on. It's a gamble. You throw it out there and you see what you can pop. Pop, sizzle. I'm gonna let that rod nod and bend till we pop one. Come on. Take it. How bad do you want it? Well, while that's lingering temporarily, I can show you my little tackle box things. I got this from Wally World. I got a set. This whole set came with a little like lunch bag type thing with like 4 departments. I got my let me open her up, show you the goodies. I got my jig heads, different jig heads, football jigs, of course, and a specialty, my specialty black jig for hitting those trees and stumps and logs, and also net rig set up, another jig, and we got my Colorado blades, and I got my jerk bait set up. Got my jerk bait. You buy this at Walmart. I pay like what, 18 bucks for this. It's a little bag, camo bag. I got my my section of baits here. Got some more baits, underspins. The master of the top water I throw a lot of popper. Of course, jerk baits and a lot of KVD material here. I got the lipless crank. That is beautiful. That's sexy. Some other attachments. I'm waiting for this fish to clamp on. We got some we got some square bills, deep divers, big boy, and we got, I showed that one. I got my lures, my hooks, and all that good stuff. Hooks, swim bait hooks, worm hooks, catfish type stuff. So we got all it going. Waiting on this fish to clamp down. And also I got my soft plastic worms, KVD baits, and the goodies. So that's my collections. So wait for this fish to hit. This is probably the longest wait I had to wait before it hit. So we're gonna see what it do. Let me try to move it around a little bit. Surprising, no hit yet. Very surprising. No hit. That was a shocker. So we're gonna keep on throwing. Throw the worm. I got a hit already. Take it, take it, take it. Come on. Take it, baby. They hitting it. Come on. Come on, giant. Does he have it? I think it took it off. Let me check. Ugh. I think you, yep. They sucked me off. They pulled all that good stuff off of there. I gotta reload. That was a big hit. That was a big hit. Put another night crawler on there. We're gonna see what it do. Night crawlers are getting put to work today. All right. I'm gonna get back out here. See what it do. Oh. Let me take some of that slack out. Come on. Somebody got it running. Run, run, run. Come on. Take it. They running with it. I think they get it. They're like really running with it. They're really running with it. All right, they were just running with it. Sucked it dry. Sucked me right off. Let me see. I'm gonna get back out there. keep throwing till I hook up again. All right, let's get back out there and going. That's like this dead zone right there. Come on. Take me away to perch land. Take me away to perch land. Oh, perch got it. Come on. I think a perch swimming with it. Come on. He's got it. He's got it. Yeah, woo. That is not a perch. That is not a perch. Somebody swam up under it or something. God. They were up under something, man. That was not a perch. That was a bass. That was a bass, man. Come on. That was a bass. Swim right up under something. Swim right up under a log, man. God darn it. Swimmed under a log. Damn it. That was a big bass, man. Swimmed up under a log. God. That was a monster, man. That was a monster fish. Trying to see if it swims from up under it. God darn it. Yep. That was a monster and I lost it. That was a monster fish. That was a beast. Another perch. We're about evening out. We gotta get bigger, man. Well, that was a big kick. Nice size perch. He ready to go. Hey, what's up, fishing freaks? That's the end of the perch mission. I'll be doing more perch videos. You know, I'm gonna, jump into other species of fish, and perch will be the main one for a while. So I'll be doing more perch videos at Dutchman Creek. That's where I've caught. That's what a lot of perch were. And I hooked up with some monster two largemouth bass out of that place. I hooked up with 2 largemouth, and that final perch that I had caught, the big one, that was a big slab. It wasn't as big as the one I caught the day before, but it was a big perch. It was fun, exciting. They're cool looking fish. They look like saltwater fish, so I'm gonna keep the perch thing going every once in a while, switch things up. And so I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, keep it popping.